This is a demo for my data curtain used to hide and restore information from coworkers or employees, and is also a replacement for Service Guru's attachment privacy add-on. Let's get started. The first section is the admin section. This section contains 4 pages. On the first page, Clients, the first step is to click the Sync Data button. The initial sync may take some time to complete. After the sync finishes, you can click the View button to see the attachments, notes, and jobs for that site. You can use Ctrl+Click to view the current attachment. You can also click the Hide button to hide an attachment for this site, or select multiple attachments and click Hide all selected attachments to hide them at once. In the Hidden Attachments tab, you can see the attachments you just hid, and the hidden time is recorded correctly. You can also use Ctrl+Click here to view an attachment. Attachments can only be restored one at a time by clicking the Restore button. The second tab is Current Notes. You can click the Hide button to hide a single note, or select multiple notes and hide them together. Hidden notes can then be viewed in the Hidden Notes tab. The third tab is Jobs, which works the same way as the Notes tab. You can hide or restore jobs by clicking the corresponding buttons. All listed jobs belong to the current site or client. After closing this modal, you can hide the site directly by clicking the Hide button, or restore it by clicking the Restore button. You can also use the Site Type filter to display the specific sites or clients you want to view. On the second page, Jobs, the first step is also to click the Sync Data button. After the sync finishes, you can filter jobs by selecting a From and to Date. Then click the View button to see the attachments, notes, and forms for that job. As before, you can use Ctrl+Click to download attachments and click Hide to hide an attachment for the job, or select multiple attachments and click Hide selected attachments to hide them at once. You can view hidden attachments in the Hidden Attachments tab, where you can also use Ctrl+Click to download them and restore them individually. The Notes section works the same way as the site notes, except these notes are specific to the selected job and can also be hidden or restored. Finally, the Forms section for the job follows the same hide and restore process. After closing the modal, you can also hide the job directly by clicking the Hide button and restore it later from the Hidden Jobs tab. The third page is Materials. As with the other pages, the first step is to click the Sync Data button. Here you can view each material's name and item number. You can hide materials by clicking the Hide button and view or restore them in the Hidden Materials tab. The final page is Staff. Again, the first step is to click the Sync Data button. This page displays all active staff members, and it works the same way as the Materials page. You can hide and restore staff records in the same manner.
On the dispatch board, select a job. You'll notice there are some photos and files attached. Now, click More, then Add-ons, and select My Data Curtain. Here, you'll see 2 main sections, Current Items and Hidden Items. Let's start with Current Items. This section includes 3 parts: Current Attachments, Current Notes, and Current Forms. In Current Attachments, you can view the visible files linked to the job by Control and click. To manage them, you can either select all attachments to hide at once, choose specific ones to hide, or hide them one by one. And you see a confirmation message. Once the page refreshes, the selected attachments have been successfully hidden. For Current Notes and Current Forms, you can only hide them. You won't be able to preview their content. You can hide them to use the Select All option, select a few, or individually.
Now, let's move to Hidden Items, which contains 3 parts: Hidden Attachments, Hidden Notes, and Hidden Forms. In Hidden Attachments, you're able to preview each file by Control and click, but restoring them must be done one at a time. Once restored, they will reappear under Current Attachments and on the job card. Hidden Notes can't be viewed, but can be restored individually. After clicking Restore and confirming the action, the page will refresh to show the updated status. Hidden forms work the same way as hidden notes. That is everything you need to know for My Data Curtain. Thanks for watching.